The 8100 is the next-generation harness tester from Cirris. Like its industry-trusted predecessor, the Cirris CR, the 8100 is a reliable tester, assembly tool, and rework aid. The compact and budget-friendly 8100 is a versatile tool designed to seamlessly integrate into your workstation setup. Each unit can contain up to 256 test points, and the system can be expanded to 100,000 points by attaching additional units. The 8100 can analyze continuity and resistance in cable and harness assemblies. It can also test components such as resistors, diodes, and capacitors. The capable 8100 design supports traditional interfacing and quick-to-set-up smart light modules for your interface cables. Control the 8100 using the powerful Cirris EasyWire software. EasyWire's continuous test feature can be useful during assembly, rework, or troubleshooting. Audible feedback can alert operators of potential errors before they occur. EasyWire provides graphical instructions on the screen and LED prompts on the harness board. This technique guarantees the cable is wired according to the specifications. Call your Cirris representative to discuss your test and assembly requirements.